Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly shortcuts and tricks of Excel. First, you need to open Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. Write data in the active cell on the worksheet like health. Click on the cell where you want to copy the content. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Then press the letter D key while holding Control. Control plus D fills the selected cells with the contents of the cell directly above it, effectively copying the content down one cell. After pressing Ctrl plus D, release both the Ctrl and D keys. Make data set by copying your written data from one cell to another. Click anywhere and within your dataset to select it. Make sure your dataset has column headers, as Excel will use them to identify the fields. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, click on the Filter button. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-L. This action will add filter arrows to the header row of each column in your dataset. Click on the filter arrow in the column header of the data you want to filter. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, you can select specific values you want to include or exclude. You can use search options to filter for specific text. Apply number or data or date filters based on conditions such as greater than, less than, equal to, and etc. Once you have set your criteria, click OK or Apply to filter the data based on your selection. Excel will hide rows that don't meet the specified criteria, displaying only the rows that match your filter settings. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.